Hi, I'm Vicky and I am faculty lead for art and media, and I want to talk you through the reasons why you can come to HNC to study different A-levels in art and design. So the first one I'm going to start with is fine art. So fine art is the one that leads, I suppose, more obviously from GCSE art and design. And on that you would study traditional painting and drawing skills. We have specialist rooms for all our A-levels here at HNC, and you will be taught by specialist teachers on the A-level that you choose to do. So if we then go on to photography, so again we would come on to photography from art and design, and that is more digitally based, looking at doing photo shoots with street photography, studio photography and portraiture, and you would be taught all the Adobe Creative Suite in that. Your room would be a specialist room filled with Macs so you can develop your creativity in industry standard technologies. Then we go on to three that sit more between the design areas. So we've got 3D design, textile design and graphic communication, and that is about you wanting to become a designer within a specialist area. So if you took, for example, textile design, you would look at fashion and interior design and look more at materials and how materials can be used to create a design within the body of a person, but also within interiors. Again, you would be taught in a specialist room with sewing machines with all the technologies that you would need for that. 3D design is taught in a specialist studio downstairs. The classroom's split into two, where you have the studio at the side where you can work on modelling, you can do 3D printing, you can use all the different machinery in there, and the other side is where you'll look more at creating your work digitally using again the creative Adobe Suite, as well as SketchUp is one of the programs that they use in there as well. So then we have graphic communication, which again is taught in a specialist room, looking at all the creative suite, and also we look at InDesign in more detail. So graphic communication is about you communicating something to an audience. So you want to promote something, advertise something, market something. So it's all about that, how you can get your audience to buy into what it is that you're going to create. And then the last one that sort of mirrors all of the art and design A-levels that we do here at HNC is our BTEC Art and Design, which is looking at someone who knows they definitely want to go into something creative, but they just want to do a programme that covers all of the areas that I've just gone into. So you'll have elements of graphics within that, elements of fine art, elements of 3D design, elements of photography, and it's someone who wants to more do a broader spectrum of work, and they probably are going to go on to afterwards to higher education to study something within those creative industries that we've just gone through. So I hope that explains a little bit about what the different A-levels are here at HNC, all of which is taught in a specialist room with a specialist teacher. You can choose 2 A-levels to sit together if you want to do, but if you're wanting to do a full programme, we'd suggest that you look at the art and design in BTEC. Thank you.